Welcome to another episode of Drum Fun. Thank you so much for joining us. If this is your first time, my name is Tommy. This is Dele. Dele is a character from my story, The Adventures of Dele the Street Kid. If you haven't gotten a copy of the book, you can head off to Amazon and just order a copy. And make sure to leave us a review, a good review. So every week I come with a new drum beat pattern to help you to learn how to play the djembe. So today I have another incredible beat for you to learn. But before you do, Dilly and I always like to give you a chance to rush off. Be careful though. Grab an instrument, anything that you can tap on, come back, and then we will start. Okay, so I'm going to give you that 5-second countdown. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ready or not, here we go. I'm ready. Dele, are you ready? Yep, Dele's giving me a thumbs up there, and you are ready. So let's go. Right, the beat pattern today, it's a little bit tricky, but I think you are superstars and you will get it. Okay, before we start, we've got a 3-minute timer. We have to learn this beat in 3 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Oh, the timer started. So this is the beat pattern today. Beat, 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 tap, tap, beat, beat, tap. Listen and watch my hands. I'll do that again. Beat, 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 tap, tap, beat, beat, tap. Okay, right, you can always pause the video, have a turn, have a practice, and then come back and join. Okay, I want us to try and do this together now. Let's go. Beat, 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 tap, tap, beat, beat, tap. Well done. Excellent. Dele, how are you doing over there? Oh, Dele's fine. Dele's getting it. Okay, now I want to set us a little bit of a challenge now. The beat, 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 tap, I want you to do that in your head so you can actually hear the beat pattern that you're playing. Okay, so beat, 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 tap. Do that in your head. I would have a turn first. I want you to listen and watch, and then we will have a turn together. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's have a turn together. Let's go. One more time. Yay! Good job. Good job. I'm going to set us, oh, what's the timer saying? We still have time. I'm going to set us another challenge. This time, I want us to go a little bit faster, so increase the tempo. I will have a turn first. I want you to listen, watch, and then you join me after. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. Again. Well done, well done. You can always pause the video, have a turn, and then join back. Uh-oh, we've still got a little bit more time. Now, this is what I want us to do. I want us to play continuously now without breaking and stopping for a little while. So you can join me with this one. Let's go. Well done, well done. I am so proud of you. Keep practicing, keep practicing. That's the only way you are going to get better. And my little advice to you is each time, try and speed it up a little bit so you are getting better. And before you know it, you will be the best drummer ever in the whole world. Well, the best djembe player in the whole world. So keep practicing. If you find it a little bit challenging, it's fine. Slow down, go back, slow it down, and then just build up on the speed. Okay, keep practicing, don't give up, don't give up. Always have a can-do attitude. Thank you so much for joining Dele and I hope you've had fun. The timer is up. I hope you had fun with us today. Join us again for the next episode. We post every Tuesday and Thursday. So bring your smile, bring determination, bring a can-do attitude, and you will learn how to play the djembe. Get a copy of the book and support us. You'll learn more about Billy the street kid and all the fun adventures that he gets up to. Thank you so much for watching. No matter what you're doing, keep smiling, keep practicing, always have a can-do attitude, and there's nothing you will not be able to achieve. So have fun. Bye.